Revitalizes and refreshes curls and waves, imparting body and shine. Moisturizes and softens hair. Permanent waves, textured styles, natural and dry curls. Prevents breakage and increases elasticity. Conditions and detangles hair. Lubricates hair shaft without build-up. Rejuvenate waves, curls, Andamp, textured styles, wave by design. Define Andamp, Shine 2N-1 Dry Finishing Lotion promises to do two important things: restore softness and vitality to hair, creating a light, clean, and shiny finish, and revitalize any curl type, permanent waves, textured styles, and natural or dry curls, by imparting body and shine without product buildup. Top seller for a reason. There _ a reason why our Define Andamp, Shine 2N-1 Dry Finishing Lotion has been a top-selling product for over 5 years. Created with a 2-in-1 dual-action formula, not only does this finishing lotion moisturize and soften waves and curls, but it's packed with nourishing humectants and conditioners to prevent breakage and increase elasticity. Try it for yourself today. How to use in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Apply Define Andamp, Shine 2N-1 Dry Finishing Lotion into palm of hand and emulsify. Step 2. Distribute the lotion evenly throughout the hair and style as desired. Step 3. For extra shine and softness, follow with Mist Andamp, Shine Dry Finishing Spray. Step 4. Reapply both daily as needed, and quat. Top reviews from the United States. Lifesaver. Life-changing product for my hair. I've been using it for over 10 years. I used to have trouble getting it from a barber, now I just get it from Amazon. So much easier.